Hello, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. So, if you have seen my stories, then I had prepared a jar of pickled carrots and raw mangoes. So, in today's recipe, I have used the same pickled carrots to prepare a really tasty sausage chili because it has a nice pickled flavor of the carrots and it tastes so good. So, do try and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. It is a must try recipe. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And if you have tried any of my recipes, then check out my Instagram page, follow me there and post the recipes that you have tried and I will reshare it on my page too. So enjoy this recipe and let me know in the comment section.